Hi everyone, this is Captain Mark. I finally got my DJI Mavic Mini. I'm excited about this. This is supposed to be an awesome drone. I can't wait to start flying it, but today we're going to do an open boxing on it. This is the combo package. It comes with everything you need in here to start flying from a beginner to advanced pilot. Some of the cool features on this: it weighs 249 grams, ultra lightweight, 30 minutes of flight time, 4K HD video transmission. I'm excited about that because it'll be nice and clear on my tablet when I'm flying. Vision sensors, GPS precision hovering, 3-axis gimbal at 2.7K camera, and it says it has simplified recording and editing from the app. So let's open it up and see what we have. Open that tab up, pull this out. Okay, so here we are. This has a little icon on there, or an emblem. It looks like it's for the prop guards. Nice. Set that off to the side. Here's the case. Wow, nice case. Check that out. DJI Mavic. Nice little logo on the front. Has its own carrying handle. I like that. I can't wait to open that guy up. What else do we have in here? We have paperwork. Let's get this guy out of here. This has an icon on it, or emblem of a charger. Oh yeah, that's the brick. To the side, what's in this guy? The last thing in here. Set the box over here. And this has a little icon of batteries. Is this better? There it is. 1, 2, and 3 of them. I'll put this over here. Open these up. Wow, these are cool. These are tiny. Totally different than any of the DJI batteries. Here we go, is the second one. And the third one. So let's take a look at the prop guards. It's be interesting. I never really use prop guards. I don't fly much inside or indoors. Here they are. Let's see what they look like. Those boxes off to the side. Pull those apart. Rip that bag pretty good. Oh, cool. Oh, so they clip on. That's neat. There they are. Those bags out of the way. Yep. Here's our 2 prop guards for it. And now, dun, 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 the Mavic Mini. Let's open it up. See what we have. Wow, wow, this is a tiny guy. Whew, look how tiny. What is this? This looks like a remote. It is. Cool. Yep, there we go. Very nice. Cool. Set that here. Open this. Oh, what is this? This looks like my charger. Yeah, it's my triple charger. Nice. So the batteries go in here. Oh wow, look at that. It shows the status of it when you click them in there. Cool. That's really nice. I like that. And here we have, these are the joysticks that mount on here. They also are little storage compartments, just like the other DJI controllers. They fit in there when you want to take them out for transporting. I usually just leave the sticks on. Cool. Very nice. What is this? Screwdriver comes with that. Must be for taking the props off. And here we go. Here is my drone. Pull that off. Okay. This is a gimbal cover. I see we got little prop holders on there. Put those off in there. There's the gimbal cover. We'll take that off. There's the camera, the 2.7K triple axis gimbal camera. I'll take that one off. Oh, cool. I'll take this off for the battery compartment. Look at this thing. It fits in the palm of my hand. Super lightweight. Oh my gosh. This is incredibly tiny. And we'll open it up. Just like the Mavics, they all open up. Wow, check that out. That's dinky. This is incredibly light. I really like this. What a small drone. Here's the on button. Indicator battery lights. Let's look back here. Ah, that's where we mount the batteries. Let me put one in. Hold on here for a second. Let me get a battery out. See how this works. Okay, so we're going to put it in the right way, of course. I'm going to make sure we make the contacts. Close the door. Nice. That's cool. And let's turn it on. This is just like my Mavic Air. Turn it on there and see what happens. Oh, as you can see, here's the light. The indicator light tells you what the status of the drone is. Set it here. Let's turn on the remote. I can see where the status light will change when it's looking for the remote. Let's turn this on. I'm sure there's some battery life yet. Yep, there's 3/4 charge. Pull this off. Now it should connect automatically. Well, what's the connecting here? Yeah, it should turn a flashing green when it's synced with the remote. Nice. I don't need this actually hooked up to a phone or a tablet to use. I should be able to just pull down on the... Look at that. Ooh, it's nice and quiet. Cool. It's a tiny little drone. Look at that. Smaller than my hand. Wow, this is so awesome. Hi, little drone. You're going to be my best friend. Cool. So we'll turn it off. It always has the double clicks. That turns all DJI remotes and drones off. 1, 2. Okay, that's great. This is really, really nice. I'm so excited. I'm gonna go fly this drone. Weather's pretty crappy right now outside. It looks like it's gonna snow in May. Can you believe that in Michigan? So that's my review for the DJI Mavic Mini. I hope this video was helpful. If you do decide to purchase this, make sure you get the Fly Combo package because it has everything you need to start flying right out of the box and has everything you need for the future. This is great for beginners and advanced pilots. So if you think this information was useful in helping you purchase this drone or any of the other products on my channel, why don't you give me a thumbs up? And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button down below. And don't forget that bell to the right, or should I say, don't forget the bell to the right, to catch my upcoming videos. So this is Captain Mark saying, thanks for watching.